founder GCN page so subscribe to my channel found some on the soul ube a notification and it's an news and the to be open your BT and also when you be a share GCN page hamidin ede adwa sechi Afia Pokua vim lady and a okase na Afia Pokua journalist mangande mu oba ensem trade mu actually papa pentino okasa na onimia oka na Afia Pokua na okase ni sema oka na ne seye NDC amayoku a owo opposition and your more happy papa mangande mu anya sepetwa kra and your more men people for pressure anya sepetwa na Afia Pokua na oche se NDC amayoku as you see omo opposition mangande mu omo pri omo dadaye omo adada Ghana fo aye nkoko de John de enti Afia Pokua ka se nyina ne se ene ye beka ya na no 2016 abra e ba beto aba no NDC for omo yo sorry NPP for omo yo omo campaign na NDC for so omo yo omo campaign no ene se NPP for kan ya sanketwa ene NDC for so ekota me green book ene sa green book na NDC for ekota ba no odofo se ene ni se me wo en se mo ewo green book ni mu no se ni nyina ene ewo my Ghana mu aka se Ghana yes in Dubai ene green book no akwanya wo Ghana ha mu no mo aye hospital se wo Ghana ha mu no mo aye school say hey schools are done your Ghana have no ways since just na Ghana the any problem cry according to NDC for green book na ye name say Afia Pokua so e obi a or foundation ene oya de papa permit so ma sorry o konkurasi e ko boa school for mofra ubehu na o paint dan na auto books auto pencil auto pen e de che mofra na Afia Pokua ya ni papa na e sign say ne foundation e de na ko konkurasi schools since Afia Pokua e chere mofra omoda so etibiase esua de no ewo ho enkoy tien this abreso enye MPP abreso go na ndis for sorry omo akasa no efi mo abreso e na bepem by this time 21st century I mofra da so esua de ewo diase then Afia Pokua e chese ndis for that time because mo ka che say schools under trees in nya de wo bio because green book you know everything there inside so maba e ba ne sai ena sisi mo fada so esua do ediasa na na ba enche NDC pension ya te Afia Pokua chese NDC fo a omo leader ya o mapenda da John Dramani Mahama sisi omo opposition wo Ghana omo omo dadai because se green book no enseme wo mi na mo se mo aya e ba me se na mo fada so ekosu wo diase nti no mo dadai mo ya nkoro de John me do fo dada mi a already NDC fo edi sa na Afia Pokua e ka o chese se mo schools under trees no mo close ni na sana mo point dem mo from this bias e bada bay na say en Afia Pokua e de etuya
enti me say these are the issues that was Ghana for get arise you push your leaders no na ye schools under trees ye koyi say this catch us we use schools under trees ni na aso me ko akra bias me schools under trees apata krachi bawo kura class 6 omuti apata eyi nta enua ne abobo ene ye de bre abe ye de eguso class 6 catch mama location no wo de come Facebook videos ni na ho videos ba me fancy like say ma blue band na no me call it blue band for out o mo so be man be blue band ma jini bi e de akonkra na tia akoma kra no akra bi wa cross eastern region higher oni blue band ma jini onim ne de eti akra ne ye keka de ye do Ghana enya no ni akra o Ghana ino bi akra mi si nti na ya ba this
yeah me ya wo mi wiase ne say papa ni be wo wie na afa na mo born samana ne papa ni be wo wie na afa na mo ka kire say one the first president who was able to do free education for the whole Ghanaians papa ni be wo wie na mo ka kire say one na eti kuo bi e friend napco all my friends are unemployment graduate people papa ni be wo mo ka na fo asa ka kire me say one the president and no twene hia fon ono na abamu na udi na tam kura no onka hwe papa ni be wo mama ka sem se ku for da abamu na utimi tira kwa mu ton no ma na ye du abaye bi ama na abaye bi ama how Ghana for this is the kind of people you are this is the kind of people you are but the name of ku for is on physical. You don't come together as a journalist. You don't come together as a bloggers. You don't come together as a citizens. And when I catch them, some way bad citizens. Ye famu chichiri kro. Mo ye bad citizens. Ye famu chichiri kro. Citizens ye mu chichiri kro ma this ye di atam ansa na ma share video. E just ye kan somebody go obi so ansa na ma follow ye. E just ye go obi wo fi ansa na ma me ya star. Me pesta bia yo. Masa me bo me bro o. Chale me ye serious o. Chale I don't depend on MPP and NDC o. Chale I know where I came from o. I know where I start life from. Me catch on me confirm the yogurt. I'll never stop saying this. I know the Ghana I belong to, no. Obi mo obi o. Obi a person kumnya o. Including our every parliament. Every court to them. Every handful. Every Kufuor Nkwano is different to me. And you people are disgracing him as somebody you never hear in Ghana. Mu kuru fi se obi amontie mu ne no ma pa na se mu ni suma da wo Ghana. Hey. Ene ka wudi na tema wa edi. Hello. Ya nya ohwe. Na na do de wudi na tema. Obi antwechew. National security kura yedin. What you say? Ye Mr. Papa we ni say mra because of say we mra nimni we lawyer kese nti mra e na obili betimi dia Ghana fo ama Ghana fo ache na di senya mra dia na nado e kwa na wuyiro mu wuyo ala wansi na wutua no mu wuyo e chicha fo na wutua mu ka mu wuyo na kono mu wuyo conference na wubie no Ghana fo wa control mu wuyo propaganda na e de o then turn here do. Young would finish enemy yo. Yen son of Ghana for yo. Enti emra. Nana emra de aba boy yan for ma watching enwi. Yen yama also mun go school free. En yankale nwisia mo brawa for na me kasa ma wo mu no. Omutina maba social media. I don't deserve to disgrace myself or to talk on social media. To insult anybody, I'm nobody to nobody. But I care for your good things, your good dream. And Ghanaians are not buying your good dream. So which I was not even like those people they call themselves graduates. But I care what you're doing. Ghana ni a railway sinajimo. Journalists be at me can want some do. Omo faso koto fo suntalese. Womu jamu ho ekoba journalist bi antimi ankotan radio station anka wasam but atem de die etimi tena woye atem de die etimi damne ho blogger na Ghana journalists na mo ye blogger and the bloggers no kura ye come anim e wo followers senemo because of that you guys are so disappointed to the country bloggers no wo followers because ye di atem. So journalists are Ghana nyina start at the other followers. You are ashamed of your qualification. You are ashamed of your so-called the name you put in yourself, journalists. And you journalists be to say Captain Smart. And it was what journalists do man and no broker or a broker. Don't tell me say Captain Smart TV. A TV station be out. And I mean Sabato TV na metiano. Me nyani package wo. Niana me bia ma de o man koye obi adwuma ansa ho me bia me Sabato TV no by myself by my dream. I didn't go to any journalism school and I was not even going to school to learn anything about journalists, but I can talk as a good citizen from Ghana. I can educate my brothers and sisters to get a good mentality and knowledge to change their life to become better life. I tell you, who journalists no kwa oya bo ho no. Nyansa nya tina dam tremuni bi. Eso me ton family ki yogurt me bo shine. Me catch us me ma brabo betimi abeche wo brabo. I'm telling you. I don't need to express myself on social media, but with my common sense and my knowledge. It is a journalist here. Why don't you fight for your citizens? Ghana near a problem be a minim. I'm ashamed of yourself. And I'm you try baby uncle for essential. Baby uncle for Eco school siania. Justice was there for a long time. Even by the Kufuor bad John Mahama, they tried to build some schools. Kufuor did more than John Mahama did. Kufuor did more roads than John Mahama did, than NDC did for 29 good years in power. No journalist was able to show us our road. No journalist was able to tell Ghanaians what is happening in Ghana. And today, Jonas is telling we guys what is happening in Ghana. You guys are so disappointed and so ashamed of yourself. Today, my brother fell from above, who struggled to pass Libya, to use desert, to use a sea, to go to Europe. Now the guy become he becomes so, you know, worried for Ghana. Quite fast to be somebody, you know, quite fast to be change your life, and yet. I'm a now cassette yamane. I saw a Kufuor. A Kufuor no ama here for me go school free. And ya for me life. And ya for me Benina be president aboni dimpa. And ya for me be MPs abetwene Ghana wa aboni dimpa. Now one go free education. And I'm so my me bre answer na go school. And I'm so my me bre answer na what ti wa rezu. And unti also be Ghana MP minister. Who share Ghana? Ah, wo nyere Ghana phone. Ah, twempone na hye otirimu ma. Ene, Kufuor na wo change Ghana, ba o mia na mo change Ghana system. Wo so no na mo sori tia no. Ni anya bloggers bi a o mo so anko school, o mo firi onya busuam, na mo so di sa papa fo yatem. Esa Ghana nye, ko busa wo kromfo se. E free say, yo ya wo wana na wo krom kwa na ye na tutu ya na. Kobusa ukromfo se efiri se ya wo na ukrom no ena ya type bo obi afie ho Kufuor ba ne ni nyina ya tutu afiri wana masa mo bloge amon kanya sasemo presenters mo so mo bloge amon kanya sasemo na mo mu bia timi to assess ya wa presenter for ya fight galamse no mo so fight ena dia na nkrai bedie ena dia na ena mo boya no dia na togu no mo so fight. They call themselves journalists. At the end of the day, the same presenters will come and say, yes, you are say. Mr. Ghana, you need to be a call because woman could go to certificate, no? Woman could go to school, no? Chimney too much. If you could take degree, just a school, no, go fight chimney, and the uncle universities, no? Yes, you need answer, and so you are some for so politics. Ye wu ya so faso awa mamuamu ena wo ma ma chimie no tete abe adwuma no ena mo de yakesesam ena mo de chimie e de ka enkwasiasam se journalist se odome president Kufuor o ya bo to the sense what chimie on me wo so chimie for wo busuamu da na ye nya so chimie for so wo busuamu da na wo chimie a wo de to as journalist want chimie meka nga na wasem masa send me say hiti ametian se wo cha me ankwasiafo bi fam o mo de pe o social media no me stop